Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I want to pick up some berries. Usually I put a little cloth under, so when I shake the tree, it will be a lot of fruit falling, which I picked a lot of it over here, and I'm gonna make delicious jam, pies. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna do something very, very delicious. All right, we're gonna start. All right, now that we picked up the berries, you'll see how beautiful they are. I washed them. I let them drain it, the water. It's dried up. We're gonna make very delicious pie cream with this. Now I put over here 1 cup of berries. What we're gonna do is we're gonna smash this because I want to use this into the cream. So I just want the cream to give good taste and give very delicious color in it. I want to show you over here, there is another kind of berries over here. They call this Pakistani berries, which is like really long. I have like 3-4 kind of berries in my garden. These little berries that here you see it, this one, my son, he knows that that's one of my favorite fruits too. He planted, and I go and I come and I enjoy it. So I'm gonna leave like this way. I don't have to smash it too much. Here I have the pan. I'm gonna put about 3 cup of milk, that's what I have. You can put 4 cup, 3 cup, 2 cup, whatever you want. This is 2, and here is 3 cup milk. Because I made 2 pie crust over here and a little extra, I put in a little dishes. Yes, so now what we need here, we need again 2 eggs. I'm glad that last time when I made the pie, you noticed that by mistake, instead to put 2 tablespoons sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, I put 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, which it was okay. Still, it did work. It was good. Now I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons sugar. And when you put the sugar, what it does, it's like it makes it kind of liquidy for you. That's what it is. Like, so when you put the cornstarch, it will make it easier to mix. At the same time, you can take now what we need, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can fill it. If you put little like this, so you can put 3 tablespoons. It's fine. What we need, we want to make it that a little bit creamy. So now the cornstarch is here. I'm going to take some of the little milk here. Just a little bit. A few drops like this. So just to make easy for the cornstarch to mix. There you go. It's very simple, easy thing it is. Don't stress over. And the cream crust pie, I have it on one of my videos. Like I said, the sugar, it was powdered sugar. In this one, I just put in this pie crust, I put just 1 cup of sugar. I do all measurement, but regular sugar I put, and I put just 1 cup of sugar because the berries are very sweet, so I don't want to be too sugary. And now we need, okay, let's put this now in the milk. There you go. We want all the cornstarch, and we're gonna mix it. When you put the cornstarch, lower your stove and mix it so it doesn't touch under it. It won't burn. Now at the end, we're gonna put the vanilla, and we're gonna make it with a little cream cheese so it gets nice and concentrated, like thick and nice heavy. It will make it very delicious taste. Now I'm gonna cut the cream cheese, which is half of it. If it's too much for you, you can put 1/4 of it. It doesn't have the measurement, the dishes when you make. You just do it as I measurement. You can always add it. You can always minus it. Don't stress over your cooking. The cooking is the most simple thing ever. Whatever your heart desires, you can put and you can do it. Now, while I'm mixing, I'm just gonna raise the stove. Now this is gonna be concentrated. Like I said, I put 2 tablespoons cornstarch in case if it doesn't get thicker, which it should, it will. You can always add more. In cooking, there's no rule regulation. You cook, you bake, you add, you minus it as you go. That's how I cook my dishes. And they all come very, very tasty. Don't be afraid to try always new things. Sometimes you'll surprise yourself how good you do, how delicious you will make. So it's gonna start to boil, but I'm gonna just constantly mix it so it doesn't burn. There we go. And then we're gonna put this in refrigerator to cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna pour on the pie. Now that you see here, delicious cream. Sometimes if you don't want to put any fruit, you can even put 2 tablespoons of whipped cream at the end, or you can put a little butter in it, whatever you want to make it more smoother, but less fatty will be, of course. Now that you see it, I'm gonna mix these berries in it and mix it at the same time. Oh wow, look at this, how delicious it looks. Who doesn't want to eat this? 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it off. When you leave, you see bubble, that means it's done. All right, I'm gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna leave it like this to cool off a little bit. Just cover something on it if you want, or you can just leave it like this, about maybe 10 minutes, something like this. It will cool off, and then we're gonna pour on it, and then we're gonna put delicious berries, which is gonna be the most tastiest pie ever. We're gonna be back. All right, now the cream is cold. Not as cold as I expect, but I wanna say that I put vanilla. I forgot to put, but I wanna tell you that I added liquid vanilla in it. I had the powder, but I had to put liquid one. So now we're gonna put this cream over here. I have another pie, which I'm gonna put there too. And now we're gonna fill this with delicious berries. And the berries are already sweet. And this one you can offer just like this, little dishes. Now you can put this back in a refrigerator so it will be nice and cold, and freeze it. Not freeze it, what I mean like to not set to rest the cream. And then you will offer your guest just like this. Every bite they are gonna have delicious taste. And here's the berries we're gonna put on top, and how good it can be. You really will enjoy delicious fruits. You can put other fruits if you want on top, but this is like this. Just feel it, don't be afraid. Let them have a bowl with berries. That's what this dessert is all about. When I pick up those berries from the tree, I have to tell you, I cannot stop eating. That's how delicious it is. There we go. And you can throw a couple of them, just long ones like this. There you go. And they are very, very sweet, even though they are the long ones, sometimes they are like yellowish, greenish. The minute you touch to the tree, to the fruits, it falls. Even when they are green, they are very, very delicious. This is the way you offer your guests. And I hope you'll try this. And if you have berries, don't let them go. You can make jam, you can make juice out of it, you can make pies, you can do so many things with berries. You can even just smoothie you can make. You can smash them with the cream you can mix and put in a freezer, take it out like an ice cream, and have fun with it. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe, and I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.